What's up guys, Craig here, Fergie, JKU. So I am getting rid of my DV8 fenders with some DV8 Fender Deletes, and I'm pretty stoked about it. I already took off my fenders, I already cut off the little frame in the front. I'll show you in a second. Let's do the back. And I didn't see a lot of videos online for the DV8, so I thought I'd just go ahead and make one for you. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put in some nut certs. These are M6 nut certs. And I need a nut cert, and then one over there. Get yourself a 3/8 drill bit, and then you just need to make the holes a little bit bigger. Get the nut cert out, you just screw it on, put it in, squeeze, hear a click, open it up, and then unscrew it. That's it. So let's do the next one. Alright, so I get the nut certs in. I'm going to lightly do the top. Alright guys, we did the back, now we're going to do the front, and the front is just nut inserts. Some are tapered, actually they're all tapered. So I'm going to put in the nut certs. First thing I need to do is just cut. This one's a little bit bigger, so I'm a little worried about this one, but all the other ones should be okay. Remember, use a 3/8 drive, so bam, 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 bam. So now I do the nut certs. I bought this from Harbor Freight. Alright guys, that's it. That's a wrap. DV8 Fender Deletes. I think they look great. I'm very, very happy with them. I don't know, I might put in the turn signals. I don't know. I have turn signals on the front, so it's legal, but yeah, I'm pretty pumped. So anyways, like, subscribe, all that great stuff. Appreciate you guys. Thanks.